This is the 15th annual GirlWise Conference being held here on the Grayslake campus of CLC. Today we started with a wonderful keynote speaker by the name of Juan Ortiz. He was speaking to a group of over 100 young ladies and their parents about their future and learning to dream. He had some wonderful messages for them. This conference has been held here every year, and the purpose is really to offer the community an opportunity to bring girls together and talk about and go through workshops dealing with issues that are kind of unique to girls.
The whole aim of GirlWise is to create a generation of resilient, strong, and independent females. Some of the topics this year included things like empowerment and goal setting.
We have had a lot of females come for multiple years. We have them years after years. We ask them if they've been before, and we're always surprised by the amount of hands that show they have come previous years. So we had our great keynote speaker just complete his speech, and we have some great workshops this afternoon geared towards the middle schoolers and high schoolers about things like empowerment through relationships, finding what your passion is, school, all the above.
We look forward to seeing you all next year at the next GirlWise conference.
Yes. Check out the website for registration for the 2019 conference.